Hi, what's up? Welcome to our channel Cook Love Dil Se. Today we are going to share a quick and healthy noodle recipe with you all. It is the Cantonese style noodles. This is a very popular Kolkata Chinese recipe. These are the simple ingredients you will require. You can add any other vegetables as well, like broccoli, sweet corn, baby corn, or even spinach. Okay then, this is our first video from Cook Love. I hope you will enjoy the recipe. If you do, please like and share our video. Subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. By the way, don't forget to hit that bell icon for instant notifications. Let's start then by pouring 2 tablespoons of oil in the hot pan. We will be frying the noodles first. The noodles are pre-boiled with salt and a little bit of oil. Now let us just add the noodles in the pan. I think the oil is already hot. Okay then, yes. The easiest way is to use the tongue to pick the noodles from the bowl such that you don't break them. Gently replace the noodles in the pan. We mostly use non-stick cookware to use less oil and make our food healthy. Now just add 3 tablespoons of vinegar as that enhances the taste. Now a little bit of sesame oil, around 2 teaspoons. This is also a taste enhancer. We'll keep the burner in high flame to make the noodles crispy and give it a light golden color. Add a pinch of salt as per your taste. Just stir the noodles a little bit. Make sure you don't break them, as the noodle tastes and looks best when in long strands. And your noodles are ready. I am directly serving them on the plates, carefully using the tongue. They look just right. Now in a fresh pan, add 2 tablespoons of white oil. We'll try to make it healthy by using less oil. Heat the oil in the pan. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and a little bit of chopped garlic. Now goes the diced onions and a little bit of chili depending on your taste. Let the onions become a little translucent and then add the carrots and the capsicum. You can also add any other vegetables of your choice. Let's add a little bit of salt and chicken stock. Now before that, I would ask you to be a little careful with your vegetables. Don't overcook. They should have a little crunch in them. Now this chicken stock we have prepared with chicken bones, but if you are in a hurry, you can use stock cubes as well. Now I am adding it to the vegetables and let it boil a little. Now mix the corn flour with it. 1 tablespoon of corn flour with about 3 tablespoons of chicken stock. Now we are going to stir it a little. One tablespoon of dark soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. For a bit of spice, you can add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce as well. Give it a stir. Add the already cooked chicken and mix it a little. The chicken is cut into small cubes and fried with salt and soya sauce. Now add a pinch of pepper. Give it a mix. And the gravy is ready. Now I am serving it on the noodles. Looks yum. It tastes best when served hot. Now, to finish the dish, we are putting a fried egg with sunny side up. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and happy cooking!